Hey y'all, long time, no RC. So I've been working pretty hard, and so now I'm going to have some relaxation time and restore the Pegasus here into something that's a little more attractive, and everything will be restored back to as good as it gets. I just thought I'd show you a little before and after. Not that much wear on the tires, to be honest with you, and these bead locks are working out great. And here's the rear axle after it's been cleaned up. You can see it's got a ton of rock rash on it, which is really cool actually. And this is possibly the gnarliest, nearly indestructible SCX10 axle on the planet, in my opinion. So this has held up to ridiculous abuse for months and months. Plastic housing would have blown apart long ago, so I highly recommend the Boom Racing metal axles that are basically a direct rip-off of the SCX10 axle from Axial, but they're awesome. So nice. And of course, you can hardly destroy a MIP drive shaft, just about impossible. More of this later.